DJT stock analysis Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So a very big retracement from what I can see here. Yeah, Trump media stocks been like 13.5% down. I honestly am still looking to take it up, but let me just kind of break it down for you. Just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that has previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, and I've documented everything. So even with that in mind, yeah, previously definitely we just kind of took some highs out. So that was cool, and we had a pretty big hit. I mean hit. It was just like kind of a retracement. Hypothetically, this, like you can see I have a line pointing towards the upside, and this looks very optimistic. People think like, you know, when I say like update for Monday, people think I'm saying this is going to happen Monday. No, I'm only really going to be bullish here, like this black line overall, if there is this shift. If there is a double break of my confirmation, then only then this is something that I'll take up. But other than that, if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. I will see you in the next one.